All right, we all knew an interest rate hike was coming today, Richard. The question was how big it would be.
And it wasn't quite as big as we were expecting, but it is the sixth interest rate hike of the year by the Bank of Canada. That's a lot.
Yep.
The bank hiking rates, Tina, by 0.5%. Many were thinking we were going to go up like 0.75%, but hiking the overnight lending rate 0.5%, that brings it now to 3.75%, the highest since 2008. The bank, of course, doing this to try and get inflation under control, and the bank said, hey, there's probably like a few more interest rate hikes to come because they want to get inflation under control. Now, we know what this means by now. You got a variable rate mortgage, it's going to go up. Yeah. You got a fixed rate and you're renewing, it's going to go up. Like you just
Yep.
You just
Unfortunately, I am in that very situation. Sucks.
Yeah, it's not good. And if you got anything tied to a prime lending rate, your line of credit at the bank, your car loan, that's going to cost more. The prime lending rate this evening, Tina, at all the banks, going up to 5.95%. Bank of Canada also acknowledged today that all these interest rate hikes, it says, may tip the economy into recession. Kind of the first time we've heard the R word from the Bank of Canada.
All right, well, it's a sign of things to come, I guess. It's a warning.
They also said, hey, maybe we're towards the end of the rate hike. So that was a little bit of the silver lining here.
Yes, a little bit of good news there. All right, well, these next few stories are all about the rising cost of living. Let's start with gas prices, Richard.
Guess where they're going? Back up again.
Up, yeah.
We hit that record high for gas in June, came down over the summer. Now we went up 6 cents this morning, and guess where we're going at midnight tonight? Up another 7 cents at the gas pumps tonight, Tina. That'll bring the average to about $1.73.9. The record back in June, actually, it was $2.14. So still off of that. Of course, the Ford government here at Queen's Park, where we are, they cut the gas tax 5.7% in July. That break is going to be good through the end of December. But, you know, oil's been going back up again, and we're starting to feel the pinch yet again. Oh, goody, at the gas pumps, Tina.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's hard, right? And like everything.
I have to get my bike out and start biking to work.
It's getting too cold for that, though.
I know.
All right, and another rising price is dining. It appears many Canadians are actually opting to stay home now.
Are you?
No, you never know when another wave is going to hit. Stuff's going to shut down again. I try and go out while I still can.
Get to the restaurants while you can. Maybe that's not a bad way of thinking. But look, the menu prices, they've gone way up. A new survey in today found that just over 60% of Canadians are going out to eat less than they were just a few months ago. At the grocery store, we're seeing changes as well. A third of Canadians cutting back on meat at the grocery store. 21%, Tina, say they're buying less fruits and veggies to save money. 48% surveyed are switching to cheaper brands to save a bit of scratch at the grocery store. Only 19% say that their food bill or their food habits haven't changed. You know, one thing though, we are still finding money for travel. A separate survey coming out today finding our travel budgets for the holidays are dramatically on the rise. And we saw the same thing through the summer, cutting back on everything, but finding a few dollars for that flight, that trip to go see Santa or go see friends and family. So people are still doing that too.
Well, it's been so long that people could like freely travel.
Yeah.
So I think they're really taking advantage while they still can.
100%.